Here's a quick before and after of using this moisturizing face cream. And what I love about it is that it has all the powerhouse ingredients. You're getting collagen, retinol, and a low amount of retinol. So if you have sensitive skin, it's probably better to start with a low amount. Also has hyaluronic acid in it, has vitamin E in it, green tea extract. There's the little pump, air pump style, which I like this style. It makes it really easy to use. Swipe it across. I then just put it in my hands, kind of warm it up a little bit, and then I just apply with the palm of my hands to my whole face. And then you can also apply to your neck, and then you can apply to your chest area. One pump is really all you need, and you'll see pretty instantly that it just gives your skin that hit of hydration, a little bit of a glow as well. It is fragrance free. I find that it has like the smallest scent to it, but it's very pleasant. So I like that about it. And it just works great. So if you're looking for a really good moisturizing cream with a lot of the powerhouse ingredients, I think you'll like this one.